Musamsaleko he is doing right now, it is totally unfair. It is time for him to give Mpumelelo a chance to also get married. He once said that after wife number 5, he will give Mpumelelo Msaleko to also get married. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. Now, the rest of the house is on the welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, before we get to the story, I just want to say for those who are going to Chris Brown's event, be very careful out there. Be safe. Make sure that your stuff you keep in a safe place. We need you tomorrow, guys. It is festive season. Just be very careful, guys. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story. One thing about Musamseleko, guys, he will do anything to get South African attention. So this is what Musamseleko posted. As you can see, there's the two beautiful ladies just after introducing us to wife number 5. We want to get married by one husband. Musamseleko reply, Gise Mzumbe, meaning I'm at Mzumbe. So if you want me, that's where you will find. And people went on to say, waze wahlupha lumkhulu, ayi isikhathi sompumelelo manje. This account is being run by Musamseleko. Nkosi yami. So people are kodwa yini lo baba. You know, people are just laughing. Some are even commenting to say, hi bo, it is time for you to give Mpumelelo a chance. You said that you will give Mpumelelo a chance. So remember, you first got married at the age of 23. So Mpumelelo now he's 23. Just give the young boy a chance. When not just rest, you have already 5 wife. You will take wife number 6 maybe after 2 years, after 3 years. Not right now. It is time for Mpumelelo, guys. Yeah, guys, as I was just watching this, I was like, I will Musamseleko, guys. I don't think he was being serious. Maybe he was joking, guys. It is Saturday. He's sitting at Mzumbe Uporegi, and Musamsele was like, you know what? I know what to do in social media. You know one thing about social media, guys, where you know how to do so that people can talk about you. So this is what Musamseleko decided to do. I don't think he was being serious, the guys. Just introducing wife number 5, and now you want to take wife number 6. He doesn't even know these ladies. It's just a picture, and we don't know if they do. Yes, they do exist, but I don't think they were just saying being true. They were joking, guys. I don't think people, they're easy for them to come out and say we want to be married by one husband. No. So I guess Abo Makumalo, Abo Mangwabe, Abo wife number 5, and Boyin, when they see this, maybe they are used to him. They are type of married women, guys. They will never allow their men to post their woman or to like a picture of another woman or to comment or even post a picture, say happy birthday to my friend. You know, marriage are different at the end of the day. People are, I think, Abo Mayeni, Abo Mangwabe, and wife number 5, they are used to Musamseleko. They no longer feel the pain whenever they see him doing whatever he's doing on social media. At the end of the day, that's his page, and people are saying that it could be Mpumelelo who's behind the page. I doubt Musamseleko will give his personal information to Mpumelelo, guys. I don't think so, guys. Even though he trusts him, I don't think so. Maybe he is the one who's behind that, but I doubt it is him. Have you noticed that Musamseleko sometimes will post funny pictures? So it is him. Anyway, guys, tell me what do you think, guys. Do you think Musamseleko right now he's thinking that I might get wife number 6 in the years to come, as he was joking? But sometimes you think people are joking and they are telling that they are thinking about it, you know, they are practicing, you know, they are implementing that after 6 years. I don't want 5 wife, I want 6 wife. You never know, guys. Then maybe we'll turn but season 10, you will hear about Musamseleko, he's taking wife number 6. You never know, guys. There's one thing about Musamseleko. Nothing it is guaranteed. Anything can happen. But for now, Baba Mseleko siyacela nkosi yami, give Mpumelelo a chance so that he can marry Ichichi or maybe he can marry his baby mama Umpumele Utirelo, because I Utirelo she's there, guys. I feel like Utirelo she deserves to be the first wife yaga Mpumelelo. You know, I don't know, but I just feel like I will ayegele Ichichi. Lechichi lezoba wife number 2, and then Umpumele Utirelo abe wife number 5, abe wife number 1, and then you can just continue taking wife. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.